One time I celebrate Chargy. I celebrate. I come from school. I get some blood clot for my mother. I get some hard from Jeffrey. You know what I mean? I can do a Pete. I take out the back officer. I say, when am I time?
If nothing else, I want you to take from this whole Zouma situation that be careful of who you're listening to, careful of who you're giving your attention to. The thing is not Jamaica. We have a problem where we give our attention. Well, not we. Oh no. Give no attention to the worst set of people. Most vulgar, uneducated, amoral people. So when these people that you have given the attention climb the social media ladder, climb the influence ladder, they then become influencers to your children. And then these same individuals who you were just having around, giving you attention because you wanted a laugh, become a blueprint for your children in the future, because your children start to emulate them because they're popular enough. Because popularity is all it requires now to be an influence, especially on children. So when this Zouma brother come on an interview and no him try walk it back, but regardless, can't rebut as some people would say. Say him in a grade 7, him say him mother having sex. And back him fist to him mother having sex. That's the type of despicable, amoral, vulgar people you're allowing your children to be influenced by simply because you wanted a laugh. Your actions, every single action has a reaction. You're giving these people, these vulgar people, these amoral people your attention because you want a laugh will eventually bite you in the ass one day, because your children or your little siblings will start to emulate them because you made them popular. But yeah, I saw the takes a lot of people had. I didn't want to go the same joking route because I don't see these things as jokes. But that's my thoughts. What are yours?